Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to change any normal body into a six packs. So let's get started. So I have took one image. So let's make a copy of this by pressing Ctrl+J. So I'll take a second image for reference. Select any selection tool. I'll use lasso tool. Make the selection of six packs. Now press Ctrl+J to transfer your selection to a new layer. Let's copy this, paste it here, adjust it according to the body. If you feel any area is extra, you can even erase or delete it. Right click on this layer and click on select pixels, hide the layer, go to second layer, go to select, modify, contract, select 3 pixels and click on OK and click on delete. Now select 6 packs layer and second layer, go to edit, auto blend layers, select panorama, click on OK. As you can see, we have 6 packs now. Try this trick and let me know in the comment section.